Welcome to Mokshika Academy channel. Today in this class we will learn about the important days celebrated or recognized throughout the year. First is 1st January. Generally 1st January is celebrated as a new year. Other than new year, we recognize 1st January as Happy Global Family Day. To encourage the joint family concept, this day is recognized as Global Family Day. Next is 4th January. 4th January is recognized as World Braille Day. Braille, here it is a language which helps blind people to read and write. Next is 12th January. 12th January is celebrated as National Youth Day to commemorate the birthday of great spiritual leader Swami Vivekananda. We recognize this day as National Youth Day. Next is 15th January, Indian Army Day. This day is recognized in the remembrance of Lieutenant General K.M. Karyappa becoming the first Indian Commander-in-Chief in 1948. Next is 25th January. It is recognized as National Voters Day to increase participation of citizens of the country in the political process. This day is recognized as National Voters Day. Other than National Voters Day, January 25th is also recognized as National Tourism Day. After 25th, January 26th, Indian Republic Day. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force and replaced the existing Government of Indian Act 1935. After 26th January, 30th January, it is recognized as Martyrs' Day to honor those who lost their life defending the sovereignty of nation. This day is recognized in the remembrance of Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary and also other freedom fighters who fought for our freedom. Next is 2nd February. 2nd February is recognized as World Wetland Day. To mark the Convention of Wetland, this day is recognized. After 2nd February, February 4th, we recognize as World Cancer Day to raise the awareness of cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection and treatment. This day is recognized as World Cancer Day. Next is 28th February. 28th February is recognized as National Science Day and 20th theme of National Science Day is Women in Science. To mark the discovery of Raman effect by C.V. Raman, this day is recognized as National Science Day. Next is 1st March. 1st March is recognized as Zero Discrimination Day. Zero discrimination against women and girls is the theme of present theme of Zero Discrimination Day. Next is March 3rd. March 3rd is recognized as World Wildlife Day. To raise the awareness of world wild fauna and flora, this day is recognized as World Wildlife Day. Next is March 8th. This day is recognized as International Women's Day to celebrate social, economic, culture and political achievements of a woman. This day is recognized or celebrated as International Women's Day. Next is 15th March. 15th March is recognized as World Consumer Rights Day to promote the basic rights of all consumers and to demand that those rights are protected. This day is recognized as World's Consumer Rights Day. Next is March 21st. March 21st is recognized as International Day of Forest To raise the awareness of forest and trees across the world, this day is recognized. Next is March 22nd. March 22nd is World Waters Day. As the name indicates, it is to create the awareness about the importance of water and conservation of water for future generation. This day is celebrated or recognized as World Water Day. 23rd March is recognized as World's Meteorological Day to commemorate the establishment of World Meteorological Organization to keep the constant watch on the weather, climate for better life and future. This day is recognized. Next is 24th March. This day is recognized as World Tuberculosis Day to create awareness about tuberculosis and efforts to eliminate the disease. This day is recognized. Next is 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day. To raise the awareness about children with autism throughout the world, this day is recognized as World Autism Awareness Day. Next is 7th April, World Health Day. To mark World Health Organization founding and to draw the mass people attention towards the importance of global health, this day is celebrated. 18th April. 18th April is celebrated or recognized as World Heritage Day to raise the awareness about the diversities and vulnerability of world's built monuments and heritage sites and the efforts required to protect and conserve them for future. This day is recognized as World Heritage Day. Next is 22nd April, World Earth Day. Let's save the world together is the theme of 2020 to increase the awareness among people about environment safety as well as to demonstrate the environmental protection measure. World Earth Day is recognized. Next is 25th April, World Malaria Day to promote or to learn about the efforts made to prevent the reduce malaria around the world. This day is recognized as World Malaria Day. May 1st, as everyone know, May 1st is celebrated or recognized as Happy International or Labor's Day or Workers' Day. This to celebrate the achievement of workers in achieving economic and social rights all over the world. This day is recognized as a Workers' or Labor's Day. 3rd May is recognized as World Press Freedom Day to inform the international community that freedom of the press and freedom of expressions are fundamental human rights. This day is recognized as World Press Freedom Day. And 4th May is recognized as International Firefighters Day to recognize the efforts of the firefighters. This day is recognized in the name of International Firefighters Day. 7th May is recognized as World Athletics Day. The sports achievers or athletics achievers remembrance this day is recognized. 8th May. 8th May is recognized as World's Red Cross Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of the founder of the Red Cross, Mr. Jean Henry Donat. This day is recognized in his remembrance. Next is May 11th, National Technology Day to commemorate the history of India's technological innovation and excellence. This day is celebrated as National Technology Day. May 12th is recognized as International Nurse Day to mark contribution nurses make to society and the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. This day is recognized as International Nurse Day. 17th May is recognized as World Telecommunication Day to raise the awareness of possibilities that the use of the internet and other information and communication technologies can bring to societies and economy. This day is recognized. 22nd May is recognized as International Day of Biological Diversity. To increase understanding and awareness of biodiversity issue, this day is recognized as International Biodiversity Day. May 31st is recognized as World No Tobacco Day. The objective of the day is to urge tobacco users worldwide to abstain from using tobacco products for 24 hours and to aware the people about harmful effects of tobacco consumption. This day is recognized. June. Next is 1st June. 1st June is celebrated as World Milk Day to encourage the nutritious food, that is to consuming the milk is a very nutritious product. To encourage the milk products, this day is recognized as World Milk Day. 3rd June is celebrated or recognized as the World Bicycle Day. 5th June is recognized as World Environment Day for encouraging worldwide awareness and actions for the protection of our environment. This day is recognized as World Environment Day. 7th June. 7th June is recognized as World's Food Safety Day to protect or to conserve our food products. This day is recognized as World's Food Safety Day. 8th June is recognized as World's Ocean Day to remind people the role of ocean in our life and educate the public of the impact of human actions on the ocean. It is recognized as World's Ocean Day, and this day is also recognized as World's Brain Tumor Day. This to give the awareness about the brain tumor disease. This day is also recognized as Brain Tumor Day. 12th June is recognized as World's Day Against Child Labor. To highlight the global extent of child labor and raise awareness on the situation of millions of children, girls and boys working across the globe, this day is recognized against the child labor. 14th June is recognized as World Blood Donor Day to raise the awareness of the need for safe blood and blood products and to thank blood donors for their voluntary life-saving gift of blood. This day is recognized. 20th June, third Sunday of 20th June is recognized as Happy Father's Day, and here I want to mention that second Sunday of May is recognized as Mother's Day. 21st June is recognized as World's Music Day, Hydrography Day, and also International Yoga Day. Here one day is celebrated in the name of three. 1st July, National Doctors Day to honor the legendary physician and second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. B.C. Roy, and to lay emphasis on the value of doctors who save the life of many people. This day is recognized in the name of Doctors Day. 11th July is recognized as World's Population Day to raise the awareness of people on various population issues, maybe such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. This day is recognized. July 26th, this day is recognized to honor the Kargil war heroes who laid down their life fighting infantries from Pakistan who had occupied Indian position on the line of control in Kargil and Dara sector, Ladakh. 28th July, World Hepatitis Day. To raise the global awareness of hepatitis and to encourage prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of this disease, this day is recognized. 12th August, International Youth Day. Here, 12th January is celebrated as National Youth Day and 12th August is celebrated as International Youth Day. The difference is all over the worldwide Youth Day is celebrated on August 12th and in India Youth Day is celebrated on January 12th. August 15, Indian Independence Day, to commemorate the nation's independence from British Empire. This day is promoted for patriotism. August 29th, National Sports Day. To mark the birth anniversary of the hockey player Dayat Chand, who won gold medal in Olympic for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936, this day is celebrated in the remembrance of his birthday. 5th September, everyone know about 5th September. It is celebrated as a National Teachers Day in the remembrance of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and to give tribute to the contributions made by the teachers to the society. This day is celebrated as Happy Teachers Day. 8th September, World Literacy Day or International Day of Literacy is recognized to highlight the importance of literacy to individual, community and society to raise the awareness of the literacy for people. This day is recognized. 16th September, World Ozone Day, to mark the day of the signing of Montreal Protocol and to spread awareness of the depletion of the ozone layer and search for the solution to preserve it. This day is recognized as World Ozone Day. Next is 21st September. 21st September is celebrated in the International Peace Day and also World's Alzheimer's Day. International Peace Day to raise the awareness of the importance of a peace in each and everyone's life, and World's Alzheimer's Day to raise the awareness to how to prevent or detect the disease. This day is recognized in their name. 26th September or 4th Sunday of September is recognized as World's River Day. This day is to raise the awareness of to increase the awareness about the resource and to protect the natural resource of the earth. This day is recognized as World River Day. 2nd October is recognized as a Happy Gandhi Jayanti or International Day of Non-Violence in the remembrance of Mahatma Gandhi ji. All over the world, this day is recognized as International Day of Non-Violence. 16th October is recognized as World Food Day to increase the awareness about the importance of the food, nutrition and to increase awareness about the food nutrition. This day is celebrated as World's Food Day. 9th November, it is recognized as World Legal Service Day to encourage the law in the society. This day is recognized as World Legal Service Day. 14th November is recognized as a Happy Children's Day in the remembrance of Shri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is recognized on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 1st December, World's AIDS Day. To raise global awareness about the disease and to prevent diagnosis and treatment about the World's AIDS Day. This day is recognized as World's AIDS Day. 2nd December, National Pollution Control Day. To raise the awareness about the pollution, this day is recognized as National Pollution Control Day. 10th December, World Human Rights Day. To increase the awareness about the human rights among the society, community, and the people, this day is recognized as World Human Rights Day. 16th December. 16th December, again we celebrate or recognize it as a Kargil Vijay Divas, as in 1971 on this day Pakistan lost the war against India, or we can say that India won against Pakistan. This day is recognized as Kargil Vijay Divas. 22nd December, National Mathematics Day. This day is recognized on the remembrance of birth of Srinivas Ramanujam, who gave the infinity symbol or infinity topic to the mathematics. 23rd December is recognized as Happy Farmers Day. This day is recognized on the remembrance of our 5th Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh, who introduced many policies to improve the life of farmer. This day is recognized as Happy Farmers Day. 24th December is recognized as National Consumers Day. To know the rights of the consumer, this day is recognized, and to increase the awareness among the consumer about their rights, this day is recognized. Thank you guys. In next class we will come with another topic.